Hello, Grange children. It is Mr. Kerbal, and I've made a special assembly for you for the half term. So remember, we at Grange, we do good listening, we use kind words, we have kind hands, which we use for great actions. We have confidence in ourselves and consideration for everybody. So, who were our gold stars of last week? Well, look at this. We've got Krish from Bob Marley, Tara from Bob Marley, Sophia Y from Sojourner Truth, Clinton from Bob Marley, and Anik from Bob Marley. Well done. Well done, you gold stars. Now, these are the half-term class champions. I put in my special class charts computer and I looked from the very beginning of the year right up until today who were the top 3 class champions in each class. You're all champions, but these were your top 3 class champions. We're really proud of them and inspired by them. So we had Rebecca in Bob Marley, Jasim in Bob Marley, Bavitha Ren in Bob Marley, and we had Pautev in Sojourner Truth, and we had Jinan in Sojourner Truth, and we had Sophia Y in Sojourner Truth. I am so proud of you, class champions. Now, here's what I want to have a special message for you. How to have a great Grange half-term adventure. These are some ideas about how to have an amazing Grange half-term adventure. So, first of all, I love to do this. If you're lucky enough, blessed enough to go with one of your adults, parent or carers to the supermarket, go on a travel around the world. Now, look at this picture. In the supermarket, you'll find when you're buying fruit and food, you'll see often it will say produce of, and look, this one tells you these apples come from France. And I love checking where in the world that we're buying. I mean, some people say it's better to buy local, and that's very, very important. But when you're in the supermarket, you can see things from all over the world. Incredible. So go on a supermarket world travel, see how many different countries you can find stuff from. I love looking when I'm in the supermarket and I play that game. I'm traveling the world when I go to the supermarket. That's one way to have an adventure. Another way to have an adventure, and this is a way that you can have an adventure even from your bed. Read a book. But I'm going to tell you a secret. You can see I've put YouTube, because if you go on the YouTube and you go on the Grange, put in our Grange Harrow Primary when you're on YouTube, and you'll find our Grange YouTube channel. You can go to a playlist that's called Summer Holidays 2021, and you can look in there, and I've even read books. So if you don't have a book to read, you can watch or you can listen to me reading a book. But otherwise, go to the library. If you're lucky enough, I don't know, maybe your parents can even buy you a book to read. I love books. I read them over and over and over again. I've got my books already piled up that I'm going to read in the half term. So that's another way. And like I told you, a secret over here is if you don't have a book to read, or if you just enjoy listening to somebody read a book to you, hopefully your parents can read you a book, your carers can read you a book, but also you can go to the YouTube channel on Grange. And if you go to the Summer Holidays 2021 playlist, you'll see that I've read some books over there, and you can listen to me reading books over there. And here's the third one. I'm going to make you a video, hopefully, and that's why I put the YouTube logo as well, because hopefully in this half-term holidays, I'll make a video for you so you can check the YouTube channel, because I'm definitely going to visit a garden center. But I live near a very special garden center, and they have an amazing aquatic department. Aquatic, aqua means water. So it's like fish and turtles, amazing. I'm going to make a video for all of you. But that's another way to have a half-term adventure, is if you can get your adults to take you to a garden center, which is just amazing. You don't have to spend any money. It's just browsing there, which is just so incredible. So that is how to have a half-term adventure. But this half-term at Grange, we have been brilliant. We have listened. We have been kind. We have learned. We have made progress. And that's because at Grange, we are powerful. We're kind. We are loved at Grange. Our adults at Grange and adults at home, we all love you. You children, you are children of Grange, which is such a special and wonderful school. So it's something very special to be part of. And we made it. We had a brilliant half term. And you know what? As a reward for that, I've already booked. We are having real live reindeer coming for Christmas. So when you come back to school after the half term, towards the end of next half term, when we celebrate Christmas, you will get to meet real live reindeers coming to Grange. And let's do a CC salute. We know we put our hand on our heart and we say, confidence, I believe in myself, I'm going to do my best. I always look after myself and I love myself. And then look at our beautiful planet. We say, look, we love our world. We love everything in our world. We're going to look after our world. We're going to take care of our world. We're going to take care of people in our world and be kind. So that's our Grange CC salute. So let's be great. Let's be Grange. And let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy all the learning ahead that we're going to do, especially your half-term adventure. I'm so excited to hear about your half-term adventures. Look out for that YouTube video coming in the next few days when I go on my garden center half-term adventure visit. Let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.